Sometimes you want to extract a specific cell or specific value within a big table in Excel, but you don't know where exactly it's located. The only information you have are name of column, title of column, and title of row, but you don't know what's the row number and column number. Hello to Ben Academy and welcome. In this video, I want to teach you how to extract a cell value within a big table with limited information that are only the titles of the table. Let's go directly to the file and describe the problem and the solution. These are the data I want to work on, and it's not a too much big table actually, but suppose you have thousands of rows and hundreds of columns. So finding a value only with your eyes, it's very, very difficult and it's not possible. So you need to write a formula here. And in a big table, it's better to freeze the titles to be visible throughout the worksheet, and I will do it using freeze pane. I have taught how to use freeze pane and the other options in another video, and you can check it in the YouTube channel. Now I want to find the working days of Robin Hill in January. So as I told, the solution is VLOOKUP. Let's write and select. Lookup value is the item that is written in the first column in a row, and it's Robin Hill here, Robin Hills. And the table array is the area that you want to find Robin Hill within that area. So I want to select all the values, because in this specific example, you know that the names are written in the first column, but in some cases you don't know exactly where it's located. So I will choose hold the table here, and the column index number. The column index number is related to the column index of January that I'm looking for in the table. In this table, that is a small table, I know that January is located in the second column of the selected area just by looking, but I will teach you how to automatically find the column number 2. But for now, let's write 2 because I know it's located in the second column. But pay attention to another tip here, that is the column number is not the column number in Excel here. You know that January is now written in column E, and column E is the 5th column of the Excel. But I wrote 2 because it's the second column in the selected area. So selected area is important here, not the column in Excel as a general value. So let's go to the last item, that is range lookup. If I write true, Excel find the closest value when it tries to search, but if I write false, it will return the exact value related to the parameters I selected here. So it's now 15. Let's find it. For Robin Hills, you can see that yes, its working days in January was 15. You can fill the other cells by dragging, but before that you need to fix and lock some of the items in the formula. And I taught how to lock the cells and formulas in another video, and you can check it in the YouTube channel. But for now, I will do it simply by using $. I want to freeze Robin Hill when I'm trying to drag to the right side, so I will freeze and lock the column here, and the area should be locked totally from the first item to the end, and this item should be changed, the column index number. So if I go to the right, all of them are the same value because the column index are the same in the other items. I know that August is the 8th month, and by adding 1, because it's the names are also written here, and you can also check and count. August is in 9th column here. So and for October, it's the 11th. Let's check. Robin Hill here is 15 and here is 12, so it's correct. Now I want to drag it downward in this way. I can see that it's true because all the luck criteria are truly applied. And if I drag them one by one, because the column index numbers are different, and I can drag it on right side to the right side. And Ronald Van Hoff 6, 7, and 4. So it's extracted easily. But as I told, personally, I don't like to write something manually in this formula and write the column index by finding with my eye and by counting. It's not true, especially when you have too many columns and you don't know, and you can find it easily. So let's write another formula inside VLOOKUP, and it's match. First, I will write it separately. I want to return the column number of January. So I will do like this. Lookup value is now January, and lookup array is this row from January to December in row 3. And again, match type, but here it's a bit different. 0 is related to exact match, so I will write 0. And now you can see that it's 1. But to find the column index number that is aligned with the selected area here, you can see that selected area is started from D column. So it's better to write it like this, or drag it to the left side to start from D, and in this way the column index number will be 2. If you copy this formula and write and paste instead of column index number here, you have a complete formula to automatically find and extract the specific values. So I want to lock the cells to drag it to the right and down without thinking. So now January should be fixed, the row of January should be fixed, so I will lock 32 only, and this area also should be locked completely, and it's enough. So if I drag it to the right and down, you can see that the values have not been changed, and it's correct. So by combining VLOOKUP and match, you can extract any cell, any value in a very, very big table according to the data you have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question regarding this function or any other functions in Excel, just write a comment and I will respond in a second. See you in the next time. Bye.